You doing survival?
Yeah, I'm doing survival. Just keep the video on the whole thing. But this time, don't put it on YouTube.
Why?
Just don't.
Come on.
Hey, I found a pig!
Piggy!
I'm gonna make it naked. Let's see if I can make it naked. What?
You can't make it naked.
Yes, I can. I
No.
think I can. I'm gonna get
No.
this one.
You have to kill it.
Wait. Now, just get that. I just want to kill this pig.
I love my case so much on my phone. I love it so much. I love the color blue.
Sometimes Steve can do
Sheep!
Sheep!
Oh, no.
I got wool from it.
You're disqualified, Rylan.
Huh?
You're disqualified.
Why?
Because you let your balloon jump
I'm
on
killing
the
a
floor.
naked sheep.
He's naked.
I killed a pig! Yay! But it didn't give me anything. Because I have light version.
Yeah.
Oh,
And you
why
don't-
did I
And
just
you
say
don't
that?
have the hunger. Don't have the hunger.
Minecraft is Hunger Games.
Yeah, but
Like
this one's
big.
not. This one's light. You're gonna build a house that small.
Nope.
You're gonna do a rectangle. That looks like it.
This is how I build my houses.
Cause the other house didn't look.
Sometimes they suck.
you suck.
Sometimes I suck at building houses.
This time I'm so better on my computer.
No, like literally.
But
I dare you to put this on YouTube now.
yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Okay, just put this on YouTube.
Well, not yet.
No, I meant like when.
Because I want this to be a long video.
Okay.
Minecraft. This time I'm going to call it Minecraft Episode 2 since I already put the first video on YouTube already.
What the heck are you even saying? I mean,
like Episode 2.
I don't think anybody would watch this. I mean, because it's a light version and everybody like on
Well, actually,
this
I'm like
earth
playing
don't
it.
like.
I'm playing it on my phone. And,
I
like,
know,
I'm
but
facing
they can
on
watch
my
it
phone.
on. They can watch it on the phone. I mean, they could. I mean, if they check YouTube.
Yeah, of course they're
But,
going to
I mean,
check YouTube.
I mean, who would want to watch me play Minecraft Lite?
I have no idea. Maybe my friends. I don't know.
I don't think they're even into Minecraft.
Anyway, goodbye!